Family and Marital Guidance. Unit 1. The nature of family and its concept. The concept of family, its types, and characteristics. First, the concept of family. Family is defined linguistically as a man's household and kin, forming a supportive group. Conventionally, it is a natural gathering of blood-related individuals, creating unity. Socially, it is the basic unit for procreation and nurturing children. The family includes the man, his kin, and close relatives. Traditionally, family is a blood-connected group forming unity. It unites to establish social rules. It is the basic societal unit leading to union for procreation and nurturing, preparing for responsibilities. Socially, family is a fundamental group. It is society's foundation, a moral source, and where social life is learned. Family is society's basic unit, uniting male and female for social roles. It's a primary system, providing social lessons. It includes individuals united by marriage, blood, or adoption, interacting in roles like spouse, parent, and sibling. The concept of family is a key system. It is the foundation of society, a source of morals, and the framework for social behavior. The bond varies in duration, with or without children. It is a group united by marriage, blood, or adoption, forming a household and interacting in roles as husband, wife, parent, child, sibling. This fosters shared culture. A biological group includes a couple and their children. There are types of families: nuclear, extended, guidance, marital, and joint. A lasting union of spouses, with or without kids. This creates a shared culture among them. A biological social group is a systematic one consisting of a man and a woman bound by a marital relationship, along with their children. Types of families include the nuclear family, extended family, guidance family, marital family, and connected joint family. The nuclear family is characterized by individuality and a shift from family control, prioritizing individual over family interests. It is small, usually a husband, wife, and their unmarried children. Rarely do married children live with parents. This model is common in urban areas. Key traits: focus on individual mobility, weak relative ties, emphasis on emotional fulfillment and gender equality, and long-term training opportunities. The extended family emphasizes blood ties over marital relationships. Characteristics. First, its focus on the individual's professional and geographical mobility. Second, weak ties with relatives. Third, the focus on emotional satisfaction and equality between men and women. Fourth, providing the opportunity for long-term training. The extended family emphasizes blood ties over marital relationships. The guidance family, or family of origin, indicates the nuclear family in which an individual is born and raised. The marital family, or reproductive family, is formed through marriage and having children. This means blood relationships take precedence over the relationship between spouses, forming the extended family, with 2 or 3 generations living together. The guidance family refers to the psychological structure of the family, also known as the family of origin, is the nuclear family. The marital family, also known as the reproductive family, is a nuclear family formed by marriage and children. Connected joint family is like extended family. Sometimes it means extended family structures of nuclear families connected by blood and marriage, married siblings and their families. The marital family, also known as the reproductive family, is a nuclear family formed by an individual through marriage and having children. The connected joint family uses this term in a similar manner as the term extended family. It is also used to characterize certain forms of extended family, and in this latter sense, it sometimes refers to extended family structures that consist of nuclear families linked by blood and marriage, such as married siblings and their families, in particular. Or it indicates other specific arrangements resulting from the interconnection of several nuclear families. Characteristics of families. Despite the various forms of families, we find that they share the following characteristics. First, The family is the first cell from which the social structure is formed. It is one of the most common and widespread social phenomena. You won't find a society that is naturally devoid of a family system, because it is the foundation of stability in social life. Secondly, the family is based on conditions and terms recognized by religion and society. It is not an individual or voluntary act, but rather a product of society and a result of social life. Thirdly, the family is the framework that defines the behaviors of its members. It shapes their lives and imparts its characteristics and nature to them. It is the focal point of social awareness and national and cultural heritage, as it transmits this heritage from one generation to the next. The family is the source of customs, traditions, norms, behavioral rules, and public etiquette. It is the foundation of religion and the guardian of its rituals and commandments. It is credited with performing the most important social function, which is the process of socialization. Fourth, the family affects and is affected by other social systems. If the family system is corrupt, this affects its political economy. Fifth, the family is a statistical unit for population, living standards, life and death. It can be a sample for research, experiments, and averages to understand and solve family problems. Sixth, the family is an economic unit, evident throughout history, meeting life's needs and engaging in economic activities. Conduct experiments and statistical analyses to understand and resolve family problems. Sixth, the family is an economic unit, evident in its historical role in fulfilling life necessities and engaging in economic activities. This closed economy produced for consumption. As the family expanded, household production became linked to women, while men worked outside. Seventh, the family is society's agreed environment for fulfilling human instincts and drives, such as life, love, species survival, social existence, and sexual drives. It is a closed economy, production for the purpose of consumption. When the family expanded and its conditions stabilized, most of the family production became the property of women, while men contributed a large share in productive work outside the family. Seventh, the family fulfills human instincts and needs, like the love of life, species survival, and fulfilling social and instinctual needs. Eighth, family defines social status and shapes cultural and social identity, and social emotions and reactions like parental love, sibling bonds, and altruism, among others. Eighth, the family can be used as a tool to determine an individual's position within a certain class system, as a person's social status is defined by their family affiliation. His cultural and social identity is shaped and takes its characteristics from the groups he belongs to, with the family being the most important.